Hey you, so this is the Mometrix National Clinical Mental Health Counseling Exam Quiz Access Code for February 2025. These codes will expire on February 28th. So if you have not liked and subscribed to this channel, please do so. The more you subscribe and you like, right, the more these videos can reach other people who can also use these free materials to study for their counseling exam. So I appreciate every last one of you. If you have any questions, you can reach me at genevatutoringprep@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment under this video. So happy studying. As mentioned earlier, these are the quiz codes. They correspond to the subject that you would like to study in with the multiple choice. You also have the option of taking the test again. You can also skip questions. So happy studying. Please let me know if you have any questions about how to use these codes, and you can leave that in the comment section of this recording. So thank you again and happy studying. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do that. You support my channel. You support it being known to other people who can use these free resources. And once again, like I said, happy studying.